Welcome. If you're tired of Telegram suggesting stickers every time you type an emoji, you're not alone. While sticker suggestions can be fun, they can also get distracting, especially when you're trying to keep your chats clean and focused. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to turn off sticker suggestions by emoji in Telegram using the latest app version. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Make sure you're on the main screen where you can see your chats. Next, tap on the menu icon in the top corner. This is the three horizontal lines, often called the hamburger menu. Once the menu opens, look for the settings option and tap on it. Inside settings, scroll until you find chat settings. This section controls how your messages and conversations behave, so go ahead and tap on it. Now, scroll down a bit until you see stickers and emoji. This is where Telegram manages all sticker-related options, including suggestions. Tap on it to continue. Here comes the important part. Look for the option called Suggest Stickers by Emoji. Tap on it and you'll see different options available. To completely disable sticker suggestions, select None. That's it. From now on, Telegram will no longer suggest stickers when you type emojis, giving you a cleaner and less distracting messaging experience. If you ever change your mind, you can always come back to the same setting and turn it back on. Telegram gives you full control, so you can customize it exactly the way you like. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out more Telegram tips and tricks to get the most out of your messaging experience.